So I'm removing the screen on a Spark golf cart. There are 4 screws, 2 at the top, 2 at the rear, 2 at the bottom. These 2 on the bottom are kind of hard to get to, so just be aware of that. Once you pull it out, pull your cables out too. You will have 1 clip got a flathead. Okay, the clips pop up. So slide a flathead underneath. Do a regular pocket knife. Remove. Installation is the same thing. Put it in. Don't forget you do have a antenna plug. And right there's your audio cables. So if you did want to run a speaker, right there you go. Alright.
Good.